Hello lovelies, welcome back again to my channel. I hope everybody is doing all good. In today's video, I share with you the simple but delicious fish stew recipe. If you are looking for the simplest and delicious fish stew recipe ever on this YouTube street, then I've got you in this video. All you have to do is to trust the process. If you are new to my channel, do subscribe and be part of this amazing family. Now, without wasting much of your time, let's get started. Alright, so now let me introduce to you my blended ingredients. I'll be blending some fresh tomatoes, garlic, beetroot, ginger, pepper, and some mix of natural spices. Don't worry, I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. So now let's blend everything off camera. Whilst that is going on, we're going to start by heating up our cooking pots, and I'm using the same oil I used to fry the fish. Use any type of cooking oil of your choice, okay? And whilst the oil is nice and well heated, I also go in with some chopped onions. I'll stir beautifully and allow the onions to fry on low medium heat until it's nice and translucent. Alright, so we are back and the onions is looking all good and perfect. As you can see, it's looking a little bit soft, and that's what we're looking for. So moving forward, I'll go in with my blended ingredients which I introduced to you earlier on. Alright, so next we're going to stir everything together, allow it to cook on low medium heat until it's nice and ready. As always, you should be checking it from time to time to avoid it from burning, okay? And we are back after extra 5 minutes, and this is how it looks like. It's a little bit thick right now. That indicates we are on the right path. So now let's stir everything together, allow it to cook for extra 10 to 15 minutes on a low medium heat, and we will be back to check on it again. So while that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you so much for liking my video, sharing, and also commenting on my videos. Fam, I am very grateful. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after cooking the pepper sauce for about 20 minutes, it's nice and ready. So it's time for me to go in with some tomato paste. Feel free to use any tomato paste of your choice, or you can omit the tomato paste totally since we use the fresh one, okay? Stir everything together. We will cover and allow it to do its own thing until it's nice and ready. As always, remember to come back to check on it frequently. Whilst that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly do subscribe to my channel and also turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you will be among the first person to be notified. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so now I've been cooking the tomatoes also for about 15 minutes now, and it's looking super good and ready. Moving forward, I'll go in with some mackerel and tomato sauce. Moving forward, I'll also go in with some seasoning of choice, which I'm using some shrimp seasoning powder, stew seasoning powder, curry powder, and also a little bit of salt to taste. Always adjust to your taste, is very necessary, okay? I'll also raise my can a little bit because why not? I'm not leaving anything out. Let's stir everything together very nicely. We will cover and allow it to cook on low medium heat for about 10 minutes. As always, you should be checking on it from time to time. And at this point, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel yet, kindly do subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I upload new videos like this, you'll be among the first person to be notified. Also, do share this video to your lovely friends and family so they get to see this amazing recipe as well. Thank you so much for doing that. Do follow me on all social media platforms at Cooking with Efia because you will love all my recipes out there as well. Thank you so much for your amazing support. Alright, so now I've been frying the stew for about 15 minutes now and it's looking super good and ready. I'll go in with my fried fish. I already have the recipe for this fried fish on my channel. I'll leave the video link in the description box for you to check it out. After going in with the fish, I'll coat the fish with some of the stew, just the way you're seeing it on your screens right now. I just don't want to disturb the fish at all, okay? So I don't need to stir this continuously. I'll just leave it to do its own thing for about 5 minutes and it should be ready. Fam, what do you think about this deliciousness? The stew turned out super good, very delicious, and you will love it. All you have to do is to trust the process, as I always say. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Kindly do subscribe, turn on the post notification bell, and be part of this amazing family. Thank you so much and see you in my next upload. Bye.